Hey there, I'm going to show you my AI voice agent for doctor visits that aims to help people get more out of their visits to the doctor. This idea came from an experience that I had this last year when a family member was sick and I was helping them prepare for their doctor visits. And I would help them out by distilling their symptoms and identifying the key questions that they wanted to ask the doctor. And they got a lot out of that preparation before the visit. And I noticed on the couple of occasions when I wasn't there to provide that help, they would come back with lots of open questions and key information would be missed during the patient-doctor conversation. And it sucked for that person because that precious 15 minutes, they didn't get as much out of as they could have. And so I thought, what if I built a virtual assistant, a little AI tool that could help provide that value? So here it is, a voice agent that can help someone track their symptoms, answer medical questions, ultimately to make the most out of that precious 15-minute doctor appointment. So here it is.
Hey there, I'm Mom's companion. I can help you track your symptoms and answer medical questions you may have. To start, may I have your name?
Yeah, my name is David.
Thanks, David. How can I assist you today?
Hey there, yeah, I have a bad chesty cough that I want to keep an eye on, and I think it has something to do with my radiation therapy from lung cancer.
I've got it noted down. Do you have any questions about how to manage this symptom, or is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I'd like to know, is this common?
Yes, a chesty cough is a common side effect after radiation therapy for lung cancer. It's important to discuss any persistent symptoms with your healthcare provider. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's everything.
Like you're curious
Thank you.
about whether a chesty cough
Can be a little bit buggy, but was able to ask a question and record a symptom. Now I'm going to call back again and it's going to remember me and my symptoms and we'll see what it does next.
Hey, David, it's good to hear from you again. Last time we spoke, we chatted about your chesty cough related to radiation therapy for lung cancer. How are you feeling at the moment?
Yeah, thanks for asking. This cough is still hanging around. I still have it as a symptom and I'm a little concerned.
I've noted down your persistent cough. Since it's still bothering you, it might be a good idea to see a doctor about it. Would you like me to help set up an appointment for you?
Yeah, that would be great. Could you help me set up an appointment for next Wednesday, 8 a.m.?
Your appointment is set for next Wednesday at 8 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need any more assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Take care.
Great, and that was it. That's the AI agent that someone can engage with, check in with in between appointments, and make the most out of their doctor's appointments. That's the vision. And so a little look at what's happening under the hood. So I used a Twilio phone number connected to ElevenLabs voice agent and built this code base in Cursor and uploaded it to GitHub. And then Heroku I used to perform the tool calls. And those tool calls, mix of Perplexity, search, and then a database storage for MongoDB. And so what does that look like? So we have an appointment that was made next Wednesday at 8 a.m. And we have the caller ID. This is how the agent remembers everything. It remembers my name, David, and the phone number. So there's some continuity. And it remembers the symptoms, chesty cough, and then it's persistent. And it's monitoring to see if they're repeated, if there's a pattern, and will suggest a doctor's appointment. And so, yeah, it was really fun to build. I was impressed with how easy it was to integrate these different APIs. And moving forward, I would be interested if I could, ask as a patient for a summary, and this database would be summarized by the LLM. Interested to play around with OpenAI's real-time API too. So thanks. Let me know what you think.